So this is Metalmorphosis, and it used to turn to spit water. I guess it started doing it again, but not on the weekends. This is Sunday. Metamorphosis is a work of art created by Czech sculptor David Černý and was unveiled in Charlotte on September 21st, 2007. He was thinking about doing something as a centerpiece. He knew he wanted to employ water or something along those lines. And so he came up with this sculpture. It's 25 feet tall and was fabricated from approximately 14 tons of stainless steel. It's the shape of a human head with water flowing from its mouth into a large fountain at its base. For a while it didn't spit water, but then it started spitting it again. What an odd thing. Well, that was a good time. I finally got to see Metalmorphosis, and it was well worth it. It's beautiful to stand in front of it. Just a nice sculpture. Wish it was spitting water, but that's okay. So, got to say bye now to Metalmorphosis, and thanks for coming along on the ride.